So today I'm going to be using a 12-inch stirring stick to mix up some paint and get it ready for our sprayer. And we want to get it really well stirred up so that when we get our sample, we know that we are exact and we're not going to be messing that up. So to start out with, I'm going to pull it out. So I want it to just make a nice thin stream. So we're going to thin this down a little bit. So I'm going to get my filter and I'm going to start adding paint. Now I can tell already that this is super thick, so I'm going to add some water just to give it a little hand. And start. We are definitely too thick, so I'm going to add some water. Now, the thinner you make this, the more likely it's going to run, and you don't want that. But if it's too thick, then you're not going to be able to get the spray through the gun correctly. So there's a fine line. That is actually looking just about right. So we're at 45 seconds now, and it's not completely empty. It's getting pretty close though. So I'm going to thin that out just a little bit more. And that should probably do it. Okay, 30 seconds. And of course, that wasn't completely full, so that is just about right. Wow, that actually works surprisingly well. So, I was going to be painting that. Yeah, that works very nicely. Cool. Yeah, I'm very happy with that.